I am truly delighted to welcome INS Khanjar, a formidable unit of the Eastern Fleet and the Eastern Command, and the commanding officer, Commander NBSP Kumar, and his entire crew to INS to Kolkata. She's been here around off the coast of West Bengal and Kolkata for the last few days on a triple mission. First, she participated in the Pan-India Coastal Security Exercise, Sea Vigil.
The ship is capable of undertaking both offensive and defensive operations, and accordingly she has been deployed since her commissioning in 1991. She has recently celebrated 31 years and still looking forward further for undertaking more such operations. As Sir has rightly brought out, few days back the ship has participated in Operation Sea Vigil, and afterwards now we have come here.